Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Be Unique.
Hi friends, in this video I just going to show how to adjust the margin line on your Google Docs. For example, I just starting typing here, so I can't type here. So how can I type here? You just need to adjust the margin to the edge. Now you can see you can type it from the edge. For an example, I just clicking enter and just typing, clicking enter and just typing. So you can type it from a edge by using this, and you can also type whatever that you want. Then you can also adjust, then the letters will be move automatically. The last letters only will be move. If you want to move everything, you just select it and just move it. Now you can see everything has been moved. If you just move, it doesn't work. You just need to select entire thing, then move as wish where you want. You can also move like here. You can make a image here. You can submit a page, and you can also change the margin of right side or left side. There will be some collapse, and you can see here you just control Z. So make an undo option. So these are the things that you can type in or from edge to edge, or you can adjust the margin that wherever that you want in Google Docs. So I think this will be useful for you, and if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.